episode of rosengold.us. And today, set was great, my crew was amazing, and the cast was super sweet, as the actors usually are. But the Personals XYZ is about to be wrapped up. We have one more scene to film, and we're going to keep you guys posted on our Instagram, rosengold.us. Hopefully you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving, and hopefully you guys also have a great Christmas when that comes up.
Perfection.
And I just finished writing the Taylor Gets Her Black Belt. It's a great book for the holidays. If you have any kids, definitely get that for the holidays. You can get it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, any of your nearby bookstores. Just look it up on Google, as well as Taylor's Perfect Birthday has been a fantastic hit. So go ahead and get that as well. And we're working on more Christmas books for the Christmas holiday. Keep up with the Taylor series and the Personals XYZ on our Instagram, rosengold.us. Stay warm.
Nice. Nice. Made me happy, made me smile. Nice.